Emmy, wait.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning.
FMW!
Central Austin County in southeastern Texas, Harris County in southeastern Texas, Southern Waller County in southeastern Texas.
Actual fuck.
We got flash flood warning.
Yeah.
Across the Warren area, between 3 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 3 to 4 inches
What?
in 1 hour.
Oh my.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Sealy, San Felipe, and Patterson. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood
Like literally.
Weather Service issued a flash flood warning for.
Like literally, we just got flash flood warning just now.
Southeastern Texas, 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 3 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 3 to 4 inches in 1 hour.
I think we might have another power outage.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Sealy, San Felipe, and Patterson. Turn around.
Like literally,
When encountering
it's
flooded
crazy.
roads.
A flash flood warning just issued.